How to install 3-light Joe Black Brass Island Chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust sockets to a vertical angle. Screw pipes into holes of arms. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen tubes. Then screw tubes into the top of arms assembly. Pass the fixture wires through the swivel joint and the canopy. Then screw the swivel joint snug onto tube. Unscrew socket ring from socket. Place the glass over sockets and secure with the retaining socket ring. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.